The future of work is here. It is a future irrevocably intertwined with the rise of automation and artificial intelligence. These technologies, once the realm of science fiction, are rapidly transforming industries and reshaping our working lives. Machines are taking on increasingly complex tasks, automating jobs once exclusive to humans. This transformation evokes both excitement and anxiety, raising concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. As we stand at this crossroads, it is crucial to prepare for the challenges and opportunities ahead. Embracing adaptability and continuous learning is key. The jobs of tomorrow will demand new skills and constant updates to our knowledge. The impact of artificial intelligence is already being felt across a wide range of industries. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are automating assembly lines, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for human intervention. This shift towards smart factories is revolutionizing production processes, leading to higher output, improved quality control, and reduced costs. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of medical data, enabling earlier and more accurate diagnoses. AI-powered tools are assisting doctors in performing complex surgeries with greater precision, while virtual assistants are streamlining administrative tasks. The financial industry is also undergoing a significant transformation, with AI algorithms being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. Robo-advisors are becoming increasingly popular, offering automated investment management services at a fraction of the cost of traditional financial advisors. As automation takes over routine and repetitive tasks, certain job roles are becoming obsolete. This displacement is a natural consequence of technological advancement, but it also presents a significant societal challenge. Workers who lose their jobs to automation may find it difficult to transition to new roles without the necessary skills and support. The key to mitigating job displacement lies in reskilling and upskilling the workforce. Governments and businesses must invest in training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to succeed in the jobs of the future. This includes technical skills such as coding and data analysis, as well as soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and communication. Reskilling is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, workers will need to adapt and acquire new skills throughout their careers. Embracing lifelong learning is no longer optional. It is an imperative for anyone who wants to remain relevant and employable in the future job market. The rise of artificial intelligence raises a host of ethical considerations that we must address urgently. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal inequities. Another concern is the impact of AI on job security. While AI can create new jobs, it is also likely to displace many workers, especially in routine task sectors. This raises questions about the future of work and the need for social safety nets to support those who are displaced. Furthermore, the increasing autonomy of AI systems raises concerns about accountability and transparency. As AI algorithms become more complex, it becomes increasingly difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as healthcare and criminal justice, where algorithmic bias can have life-altering impacts. Section 5. The virtual office remote work and the evolving landscape of work-life balance. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work and flexible work arrangements. This shift towards virtual workspaces has blurred the lines between our professional and personal lives. Remote work offers greater flexibility, allowing employees to work from anywhere and structure their workdays around personal needs. This can lead to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a better work-life balance for some. However, remote work can also lead to feelings of isolation, burnout, and difficulty disconnecting from work. It presents challenges for collaboration and communication, requiring new tools and strategies to maintain team cohesion and productivity. Section 6. Building bridges in the digital ether, fostering collaboration and culture in remote teams. As remote work becomes increasingly prevalent, organizations need to adapt their strategies for building team cohesion and fostering a positive company culture. This includes investing in communication and collaboration tools that allow remote teams to connect seamlessly and work together effectively. Regular virtual meetings, team-building activities, and opportunities for social interaction can help bridge the physical distance. Organizations must create a culture of trust and transparency, where employees feel connected to the company's mission and values. Clear communication is paramount in a remote work environment. Managers need to set clear expectations, provide regular feedback, and be available to address questions and concerns. Employees, in turn, need to be proactive in communicating their progress, challenges, and availability. Section 7. The tools of the trade technology as the backbone of remote work. The success of remote work hinges on having the right technology infrastructure in place. This includes reliable high-speed internet access, secure virtual private networks, and a suite of collaboration tools such as video conferencing software and project management platforms. Cloud-based solutions are essential for enabling remote teams to access and share files seamlessly. Cybersecurity is another crucial consideration, as remote work can increase organizations' vulnerability to cyber attacks. Furthermore, organizations need to provide remote workers with the necessary equipment, such as laptops, monitors, and ergonomic furniture, to create a comfortable and productive work environment. Section 8. Staying ahead of the curve. The skills gap and the imperative of lifelong learning. The rapid pace of technological advancement has created a skills gap in the workforce. Many of the jobs that are in high demand today did not exist a decade ago, and this trend is only set to continue. To thrive in this dynamic environment, individuals must embrace lifelong learning as a core principle. This means continuously updating their skills and knowledge, whether through formal education, online courses, or on-the-job training. It also means developing a growth mindset, being open to new challenges, and adapting to changing circumstances. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in fostering a culture of lifelong learning. This includes providing access to affordable and accessible education and training opportunities, as well as promoting the importance of STEM education and digital literacy. Section 9. The human touch. Why creativity and emotional intelligence will define our future. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, it is easy to fall into the trap of believing that machines will soon replace humans in the workplace. However, this view overlooks the essential human qualities that will always be in high demand. Creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence are all skills that machines cannot replicate. These are the skills that will set us apart in the future job market and enable us to thrive in a world where machines handle the routine and repetitive tasks. The ability to connect with others, build relationships, and understand and manage emotions will be more important than ever in a world where technology mediates so much of our interaction. These uniquely human qualities will be the foundation upon which we build a future where technology augments and enhances our capabilities rather than replacing us altogether. Embracing these skills will ensure we remain indispensable in the evolving landscape of work.